In this video, we are going to see how we can view the revision history so that you can restore to an earlier document point, or let's say you didn't want to make some changes, you want to switch to that version, you can easily do that. Click on the file, click on the version history and click on see version history. It will show you a couple of documents and on what date they were edited. So for example, this is today. This is the current version of it. These are the new lines that I have just added. And on Monday, this document was created like this. But whatever you edited on a specific date, it will show you that versions, all of them here. So let's say if you want to move to an earlier version, you can restore that version of the copy. Click on restore and you should be able to see the updated document. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.